everyone, so today I thought I would do a little bit of a wardrobe tour. There's nothing I enjoy watching more than the British Vogue inside the wardrobe stuff, so I thought I would do my own. Hope you enjoy it, and let's start. Tell a lot about someone from their wardrobe. Like mine, for example, is very messy, but also I know where everything is at the same time. So this is a bit of a problem, but I accept that. But yeah, this is basically how I organize it. My t-shirts are actually pretty well organized, if I do say so myself, but everything else is a little bit of a mess, but I'm okay. Hi. So it goes kind of shorts and skirts and dresses, t-shirts that are dark and grey, t-shirts that are light for summer, tops without sleeves, dresses and all sorts of random stuff. And then under here is shirts and dresses and things like that that need to be kind of hanging down. And then at the top I have t-shirts, crop stuff, everything like that. So this is one of the newest things in my wardrobe, and it's this Fiorucci, I think that's how you pronounce it, sweatshirt, and I love this. I actually got this only yesterday, and this t-shirt, and I'm just obsessed. I think it's my new favorite brand. I just love the little cherubs on it. I just think it looks so cute. I'm quite a big fan of cropped sweatshirts and things, just because I'm quite short. I'm only 4'11", so I need a sweatshirt that isn't going to drown me, and that's kind of cropped and stuff. So I have this one from Pretty Little Thing. If you've watched my channel for ages, you'll recognize this because I used to wear this all the time, and I pretty much still do. This purpley coloured one from And Other Stories. I got this top from Fiorucci in Italy, and I just loved it. I got it from the market, and their markets, by the way, are 10 times better than what we have over here. Like, it's a completely different level. But yeah, I got this top and I just thought it looked really cute. I think even without realizing it, a lot of our clothes have kind of stories behind them. So where you got them from, or the reason why you got it, or where you wore it. What do I look for when I'm shopping? I just really look for things that I like. I like things that are a bit different, but also very classic and staples at the same time. I love things that I can wear over and over again with lots of different stuff. And yeah, I just want it to be quite cool, but also very comfortable at the same time. My favourite places to shop are probably Pretty Little Thing, ASOS, Topshop, Misguided, all of those kind of places like that. So, as you can probably tell, I'm a huge fan of check shirts, denim shirts, any kind of shirts. I love to wrap them around my waist, over my shoulders, just kind of have them draping off. I just love check shirts. I think they're such a wardrobe staple. And as you can tell, I have many colours. I have red ones, white ones, yellow ones, loads of check shirts basically. I just love a t-shirt and jeans as a look. I just think it looks so good. It's so casual and comfy, and dressed up right with like accessories, I think you just can't go wrong with it. This dress I got off ASOS from a brand called Licorice, and I just think it's so cute. It's such a tea party dress, if that makes sense. Very Alice in Wonderland. I just love jackets, okay? So many denim ones. I love denim jackets. They're such a staple for me in every single shade, in black, light blue, dark blue. I think everyone needs a denim jacket. So this jacket is from Zara, and I got it in Rome when it started to pour down with rain and my outfit was just not weather appropriate. So I just love this though. I love that it drapes down at the back. It's just such a cool jacket. This one I absolutely love. I love the print on the back. I just think it looks really cool. I just love this dress. I think it's so cute. I love that it's so multicolored and everything like that. It was from Zara. I'm really into trousers at the moment. I just love how they look on. I love how they're kind of very comfy but also look stylish at the same time. So I have loads of different colours. I have beige ones, navy ones, these black ones I'm wearing right now. I feel like this can pass as really chic with a pair of fur sliders and a cool t-shirt tied up at the front. This is just so like airport vibes. Shoes, obviously Converse are such a staple for me. I show them in my videos all the time. These boots I lived in all of winter and also into spring. I'm obsessed with them. They're from River Island. So I think that's pretty much everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did, because I would love that so much. Have a great day and I'll speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.